Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Anirban and today I will show you how you can make an amazing video like the one you saw just now. Everything is free. Whatever you saw in that video, whether it be the stock videos, music, templates, everything is free. And please do watch the video till the end because I know that you really want some good resources for your project. Therefore, I will not only show you the website, but we will explore the website together and eventually I will show you how we can download those files and use them in our editing software, video editing software. And those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, hit the red beautiful button and press the bell icon also so that you never miss an update. Now let's get started. Okay, so this is the website mixkit.co and we are in the home page of this website. So as I have told you guys that I will not only just show you the website but I will also explore it with you. So let's do that by creating a very small project of our own. So let's go to this video section right here at the top. And now we can see we have various different types of stock videos which we can use in our own project. So let's see what categories we have at the very top. Okay, so let's use this car category. In here we have different type of stock videos which we can use in our own project. But guys, let me tell you one thing, okay? This is very important. Listen carefully. You can use this stock videos, the stock music, the templates anywhere, whether it be YouTube, Instagram, or you are making some project for your client, you can use it anywhere. But don't use these videos in some TV commercial or in some live broadcasting. Don't use this stock videos in some TV commercial, okay? Just this is the limitation, or else you can use it anywhere without any problem. So let's just select some stock videos for our project. Okay, so here we can see there is a cool red car. Let's use that one. Okay, so we will download 2 or 3 videos and then we will put transitions in between, and I will just give you an idea how to use these elements, and we will download them and then we will import them in Premiere Pro and make a small video. Okay, so this video looks cool. This can be the beginning shot of the car. So let's download this. Okay, let's download 1 or 2 more. Okay, let's download this one. And lastly, let's download this front facing of the car close up. Okay, so we got our 3 videos which we need. Now let's go to Premiere Pro. Guys, in this video I am using Premiere Pro. You can use any other video editing software, whatever you like. The process will be same. You just need to know how to use those templates from that website in your own video editing software. Okay, now here I will import those files. Okay, so just select them all, the 3. Okay, here we have our 3 files now. So let's see which one was the starting video sample that we will put at the very start of our video. Not this one. Okay, this one. So let's drag this in our timeline. Timeline created, a sequence created for us, and after that we will put this video. Which one? Not this one. Okay, it is not changed. Yes, correct, this one. At the last we will put the front facing of the car. Okay, so we got our 2 videos in here. This is the first one, and from here the shot is changing to the next video. So what we need to do, we need to put some transitions in between here. Okay, so that it doesn't look like this, it looks a bit better by the use of a little transition in between. So let's go to our website and scroll to the very top, and here you can see we have another section called templates. This is the best part of this website. So many other categories in here in this template section, like titles. We can use different titles in our video, transitions, lower thirds, call outs, and even we have a different category for YouTube. I will show you this category at the last of this video. Okay, for the time being, let's go to this transition category. And in here you can see we have different type of transitions which we can use. So let's select any one of them. Okay, so this is looking cool, right? The glitch effect. So let's download this. Just click on this arrow. Okay, so it has been downloaded. See, we are getting a zip file, so we need to extract this. Okay, and let's extract this to desktop only. Okay, so see here we have the file Mixkit 404. So this is a Premiere Pro project itself. So what we need to do, we need to open this first. Let's open this. Okay, this will take a little time. Okay, so it is done. Now what we need to do, we need to left click on our mouse and select these two parts, the green and the orange part. Now we need to drag it into our own project right here at the very top of this video. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to place it properly in between the two videos so that the transition looks good. Correct? So here we need to find where the footage is changing. See right here, we have a small pointing arrow here. If you can see, this is the point. We need to put this transition and we need to match the lines. See, like here. Now it is showing red at the very top. That means it is not rendered properly. So you can render it by pressing enter. Okay, so once the render is complete, the video will play automatically. Let's see how it looks. So see, you saw that? It was cool, right? So let's put our last video footage and let's use another transition. So here, let's go to our project, and the last footage was not this one. No, this is the sequence. Okay, this one. So let's grab this. Let's make our path a little small so that we can put the video. And here it goes. See, we are getting a black line. Okay, that's the point where we need to put our next transition. Here, right? Now let's go to the website and look for some other cool transitions. Okay, so here we have some colorful transitions. Okay, this is good, right? So let's use this only. Save this. So it is also a zip folder. We need to extract this. Extract to desktop. Okay. So now let's go to desktop. So here you can see we have our file, the new transition which we just downloaded. So here you saw that in the first transition, the glitch effect one, we got a Premiere Pro project. Okay, but here we got a different type of file. This is called a MOGART file. So how we can use this file? So we can't directly open it from here. Let's go to our Premiere Pro first. And here in the right hand section, you can see we are in this essential graphics. So click on this, then click on this browse section. And at the very bottom here, you can see there is a plus sign. So it is telling install motion graphic templates. Click on this. And now you need to visit that file. So here it is. Mixkit 100 MOGART. So double click this. Okay. So I already have that file. This dialog box won't come in your case because you are not having that file, and if you do have that file, no problem, you can even overwrite it or press no. It's up to you. So I will just overwrite it for your sake. Okay, now we will need to look for the file in here. I don't know in which order they place it, but you will get it here. Just look through it. It should be here only. Here it is, right? So what we need to do now, we need to just drag this in our timeline like this. Okay, so this will also take a little bit time to load. In here, in the previous transition, this one, we had a line in between which we matched with this line, but here you can see there is no line in this transition. So just keep it in between, okay, like in between the two different video footages. Now let's press enter and render this. Okay, so just pause the video. Let me make it a little big so that you can see it properly. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Okay, that was the first glitch effect. That was pretty good, right? And let's see what we have now. Beautiful, right? See, but the color is a bit off in this transition. That is not exactly matching with our video, the colors which we have in our video. So you can also change the color in here, no problem with that also. So how can you do that? See, this is our transition, right? So you just need to double click this, and here you will, in the right hand side, you will get this. First, previously we were in this browse section, and once you click on this, double click on this, you go to this edit section automatically, and here you can see we have different options for different colors. So what we can do, we can open this video a little bit here, and we can check this eyedropper tool and pick the colors from here. Like, let's take this color first. Now let's take the second color. Okay, and the color 4 will be same as color 1, and color 5 will same as color 2. Okay, so now let's resize it once again and press enter. Okay, so let's make it a bit fast. So you saw this is the first transition. Let's see this. Okay, so cool, this is the first transition, and now let's see what happened to our next transition after changing the color, how it looks. Okay, that was good, right? So this is how you use those templates, the files, the video footage. You can even use the music. Everything is in there. You just need to know how to use them. Like I have taught you that if it is a Premiere Pro project that is getting downloaded, then double click that file and open it, and then use the clip from in there. Or else if it is a MOGAT file, then you can install it from the motion graphics here, essential graphics, and you can then go to browse, and then you can install the motion graphics from in here. So this is how you will download these files and use it in Premiere Pro. And last but not the least, let me show you the most interesting thing, that we have a category for YouTube and we even have a category for Instagram. So let's go to this YouTube, and here you can see we have different type of end screens, videos, stock videos for end screen. Okay, so you can use any one of them, and if you want me to make a video on how to use this end screens and make a outro video or even an intro video, then comment down below. I will definitely make one for you, and I will show you how we can use them. See, here we have plenty of YouTube resources. Okay, so this is a wonderful site, guys. Okay, I myself got to know about this a little late, but I want you guys to know this, and if some of your friends also into this field of content creation, then please do share with them this website, and you can even share my video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. That's the main thing. And we also have some cool stock videos for Instagram. So there is a lot of things in this website. Okay, that is very hard to cover in just one video. Already this video is long enough, but I made this video long because I want you to know everything what I'm trying to say you. Okay, this will benefit you in the long run. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and comment down below that if you want me to make the intro or outro video, and also tell me that which part you like the most in this website, whether it's the stock videos you like the most, or it is the stock music, or the templates in here. So just comment down below, and I will meet you in the next video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Till then, thank you and have a great day.